Hey everyone, I'm Chris Brusso, and this is my first advanced project that I decided to do. Dr. Greg really influenced me that if it's not good enough for me to post, it wasn't good enough. So I built what started out as a multi-agent wellness system and what turned into a spoiler filtering deep research system, multi-agent deep research system for getting video game content and ideas without spoilers. I've had this happen a lot, and I've been a little bit obsessed recently with uh, trying to experience games like a kid again, because I've had the problem where I go to buy a game, maybe I even pre-ordered the game, and the game gets leaked and it's already spoiled before launch day even happens. And if I look up anything about the game, I end up seeing stuff, and it changes the way that I end up experiencing that game, changes the way that I play the game, makes me a lot more anxious that I might be doing something wrong. And I wanted to build a system to get around that. So we're going to do this. We're going to run the game, and we're going to run with the verbose command so we can see what the game or what the system does for us to take out spoilers. And we'll see both high spoiler sensitivity, and we'll turn spoiler sensitivity off so that we can see. So Chris B, welcome back. My profile is loaded. What game would I like to ask about? Let's do KOTOR 2. This is one of my favorite games of all time. It's a Star Wars game, Knights of the Old Republic 2. Let's actually ask this. So I just met Freya on Terrace. How should I behave towards her? Don't give any information past Terrace. This works via a router and all open source models. So this is actually running a dumber model. It's OpenAI GPT OSS 120B. It's running it locally. And I'm pointing up here because I can see it on this screen above me. It first evaluates the query, it thinks about it, and it routes it to another model, which in this case, gameplay agent. So it's routing towards the gameplay agent. So this is going to focus only on gameplay. It's not going to give lore about Kreia. It's not going to give any unlockables that you might find about Kreia. It's only going to give gameplay knowledge. And so here's our actual reasoning from before we see the spoiler filter. She hates blind loyalty, yada, yada, yada. She wants to know who you truly are. Force is a tool, not a master. Very good. It's nice that it's nailing Kreia, right? KOTOR 2 is not the full name of the game, so it was able to search and find actual resources. And Kreia is a little bit of an ambiguous character. So the fact that it was able to parse everything out is very cool. Here's what we actually get if you wanted spoiler-free information about this. How to make a good impression on Kreia during your first conversation on Terrace. High sensitivity version. Keep your tone thoughtful, pause before answering, avoid absolute statements, echo the values she seems to respect. This can get you in trouble, which shows that it's actually it's filtering some of the spoilers out. What would it look like if I give it the non-spoiler tag? Or I'll just say, who is Freya? Tell me everything about her. And I'll say, spoilers, people, none. And I had to build all of these tools. I built the web search agent. It's searching SearchNG, which is a free open source running out of a Docker container on another computer. I had to spin up a quadrant for our persistent memory between sessions. That's where the knowledge base is stored. Wow. Okay, it actually, let's try this again. We can see we got the spoiler override this time, which I think I did it wrong the last time. That's why it's doing none. Yeah, I did that wrong. It didn't give the spoiler override. So this should show us a lot more about Freya and Darth Treya. There we go. Here we see we got the correct sensitivity filter compared to the last one. And here we have our response that the user would see. If you haven't finished it, the next few paragraphs contain light spoilers. Major twists may have been omitted. So, okay. Visual design, blah, 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 blah. Jedi career. She was once a Jedi Master during the Mandalorian Wars. There's a spoiler. Later developments. I love this. That have been omitted here to avoid spoilers. If you wish to explore this part of her story, consult a full-length guide. Man, I'm excited. I'm nerding out a little bit about this because this is something I will actually use, and I'll open source it so other people can use it too.